What's up, Project Sploosh? We back at it, with the, update about the room. So, here we go,
Alright, what's going on, guys? I'm coming back to you guys with the part 2 of this video since you guys loved the other video. I don't know what the happened. It's because of the clickbait. I'm sorry for doing you guys, but
he did y'all dirty as
yeah. We're back with the part 2 because some of you guys asked for it, so we're back with the part fucking 2. If you guys are brand new to the damn channel. Alright, if you guys are brand new to the channel, though, make sure to hit that subscribe button because I'm giving away $100 at 500 subscribers, I think. Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah, giveaway at 500 subscribers, so make sure to hit that thumbs up and subscribe down below. Now let's get into the fucking video.
The first thing you're gonna need,
you're gonna have to get yourself a desk lamp, and that's why I recommend to you guys the Tautronics little desk lamp.
I mean, if you're working late at night, you don't want to have the lights on, right? Like the overheads. So you're gonna need a light, and on that light, like you have different settings, like for the light exposure. So it's like dim light, low light, high light, all that. Different settings. It's crazy, fam.
Next item on the list, you're gonna have to get
any type of speaker. Well, I recommend JBL. Fire, fam. Lit. Anyway, it's mad powerful. It's got the bass, it's got the treble, all that fam. Everything.
When you're doing in your room, teeing up, you need a speaker. And so you the vibe right.
But the reason why I recommend getting the JBL speaker is because on the back side you got a USB port where you can plug in a charger and charge your phone. Most portable speakers don't have that. And this way, you can charge your phone if it's gonna die and you wanna listen to some music, you're smooth.
And it has nice battery life, to be honest.
It lasts so long.
I believe it lasts it depends how much you use it, but like for us it lasts a couple of days and we always bumping music, so
24/7. So that's why you should go ahead and pick up the JBL speaker. Alright, the next item that I recommend on this list for part 3, get yourself something that's gonna make your dorm smell good. I recommend getting yourself an essential oils little diffuser type thing. But another thing that smells really, really good and makes your room literally smell amazing is this thing that we got in UJ's room. What is yours called?
It's Airwick. I got it from Walmart. Y'all know Eric. Airwick.
I literally walked in, I thought this man took a shower. I thought he came straight out the shower.
I bathed my room. Come on, let me show you. Come on, get up. Right here. Airwick. I got it on low setting. I got this 3 days ago. Still at the top. Fire.
Boom. On the topic of making your room smell good, you want to make yourself smell good. So go ahead and pick up yourself some Sauvage cologne. If you have this on, boy, you get in women. Boy, you get in men, whatever you want to get. Boy, you smell good as hell.
Oh God! And I recommend.
What you recommend?
Nah, I don't want y'all to smell like.
Alright.
What's that line?
Just busted.
They like how I smell cologne.
You like how I smell cologne.
I guess we gotta come all the way over here. What you gotta get for your 4th and 5th? Whatever item we're on. You have to get this for your 4th item in your dorm room because every single person needs it and you will overthink it. Get yourself a little command strip, sir, made by 3MD. Right now we got the keys up on deck. Over here we got a towel on a rack. You literally come in
this. Yeah,
and then another reason why you should get these is because all of our pictures on our walls in our dorm are hung up by these command strips. And the frames that we got are kind of heavy, so they hold it.
If you don't get them, you need to get the Velcro, otherwise they're not gonna stick. If you get posters and shit, posters and crap, they're not gonna stick.
You guys listen to my man right here.
Next item we got on the list is the damn 6-outlet port. You have to get this, because if you have 2 right here on the wall, what are you gonna do? You're gonna charge 2 things at a time. You can plug 2 different ones, have 12 outlets. You know how many things you can do with 12 outlets? Ask Gabe.
Bro, tell them about the one thing that doesn't turn off if you have the surge protector. Get a surge protector.
Listen to Gabe, get a surge protector, because you know what happens if you get a surge protector? If the damn electricity goes out,
which it probably will, because this school broke.
You're smooth. You're smooth. If you have anything plugged into there, if you have a hard drive or something plugged into there, you're not gonna lose any of your information or anything because the surge protector got your back and it's gonna stay on regardless. Get yourself a surge protector.
No.
Here, let me tell y'all about something. The 5th? Are we on 5?
The 7th.
7th thing you're gonna need.
It's a bowl.
7th thing you're gonna need Lysol wipes. These shits go crazy. I'm telling you, they clean any and everything. You want your TV clean? Clean. You want your sink clean? Watch out, bro. Clean. You want your mirror clean? Clean. You want your Sergio clean? Clean. Clean.
If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. If you guys are brand new to the channel, like I said, I'm giving away $100 when I hit 500 subscribers. So make sure to hit that subscribe button and you should be new to the channel. We're gonna do some daily vlogs coming up soon, so make sure to stay tuned if you guys like this kind of video and see this kind of
little ass room.
Thank you for watching the video, and that's it. Peace out.